Poppy, what does a hippo say?
Roar.
What? What? Is Poppy crazy?
No.
Yeah, I say Poppy's crazy.
Open?
Sure.
Sure.
Lemon heads. Close them up.
Close it up.
There you go, hippo.
And that hippo?
Sure. That is
Open it.
another hippo. Should we open them up? Lemon heads.
Inside monkey.
What's a monkey say? That's what a monkey says.
Open.
Ooh, I hear him. Shake him again. Let's listen. Ooh, what do you think's in there?
What's that?
I don't know. Ta-da! Reese's peanut butter pieces.
Here go monkey.
Okay.
Here go monkey.
Here you go, monkey.
Going up.
Okay.
Now, what?
You're
Eat
gonna-
them.
Okay, we're gonna eat them.
Eat them.
Okay.
You eat everything.
Okay. Mmm, they're good. Mmm.
They're good.
Mmm, I like them.
But pull the back.
Okay.
Okay. Call the monkey.
It's a monkey. Here, Mimi will have to help you. Oh, good job, Paige. You almost got it. Here we go, a little bit. Let's see. It's a little bit hard. Hold on, Mimi will help you. Whoops, it's your fingers. You don't want to get the pinch. There we go. Mimi helped you. Good job.
Inside. Inside. Open, Mimi. Open it.
Sure.
Sure.
That's a brown monkey.
Here go monkey.
There you go. Nom, 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 nom. Yummy candy. Mhm.
I will eat green.
You did eat green.
I did.
Yeah, you did.
Put protein back.
Close them up. There's going to be some sticky candy later.
Open puppy.
Oh, I like the purple puppy.
Open, Mimi.
Sure.
Sure.
It's a purple puppy.
Beep, beep, beep.
Puppy says, woof, woof, woof. That's hot tamales.
Open, Mimi.
Sure.
Sure. Hot tamales.
These are spicy. Whoops. Hold on, puppy. Here, you hold puppy and Mimi will open.
I got play the puppy.
Mm-hmm.
Here you go, puppy.
Here's your candy.
Here you can me.
Put it in. There you go. There you go. That's that. Good job, puppy.
Good job, puppy.
Good job.
And inside,
What's that, Paige? What's that sound?
puppy clock.
Oh, Poppy's clock.
Open it. Open it.
Mm-hmm.
Open it.
Mm-hmm.
Open.